Hey guys, my name is Ananya Rana. Welcome back to my channel, and you are watching Alright Ananya. So this video is hi, welcome to SRM. So I thought I should have made this video a bit earlier, but then okay, whatever, my fault. But it's your first day tomorrow. Okay, and I just wanted to be sure that hi guys, you have been following me for so long. I am very much excited that you guys are, joining the college, and you will be meeting so many people, and so many things would gonna happen around and everything. Don't be scared about it. Okay, so this is much more like a sit down video, like I am talking to you. So I'll get straight to the point. Firstly, tomorrow what's gonna happen is half of you are going to be in the auditorium from 8 to 12, and half of you will be in your classes during that 8 to 12, and then there would be a swap in that thing. Whoever was in the auditorium will go to their classes for the second batch, and the people who were in the classes in the first batch will go to the auditorium in the second batch. So if you have not known which batch are you or whatever it is, there would be a circular which is traveled or circulated with you guys, so you can get to know about what branch you are in, and so what batch you are getting or whatever. By that, I didn't get that, I couldn't find that, so I haven't made the video about that, but I hope you got the information about it. So now let's get to the other point. If you are going to the auditorium, the first part, go to the auditorium, you will be asked to sit. So yeah, you will be finding people around, you will be talking to people around. The professors would be sharing some important information about the college and the curriculum, so do hear them. They will be telling you about the internal marks and attendance and stuff, so it is important. Whereas in the classrooms, you will be asked to introduce yourself. Yeah, so everyone hates introduction. I know, I hate introduction. I hate giving introduction. You also might hate giving introduction, but it is what it is. You will be asked to give introduction, and not you yourself, the whole class will be giving the introduction to the teachers, and out of the class too, you will have to meet your friends, like the potential friends, your classmates. You will meet them. Okay, so here are the tips. Firstly, have a lot of energy tomorrow. A lot of energy tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be your first impressions. The first week, this whole first week is going to be your first impression. I would say just be a bit extra, okay? Just go to people, talk to them. Nobody cares, okay? Nobody cares what you are even saying, okay? You just need to give the energy, make the other person feel homely, because they are also away from home, you are also away from home. Talk to people, be like, find the common interest that you are getting, try to get to know each other, try to know. Now here the thing is, don't try to fit in, okay? Just say hi and then talk to them. If they are not talking, you talk to them. If they are asking you, give more importance to them. See, everyone is scared. It is the first day of college, okay? Also, many of them would be trying to change their personalities because they want to get better. You might also want to change yourself because you also want to get better. So nobody is trying to be fake, okay? Everyone is trying to change, everyone is trying to grow and whatever. Don't make assumptions, don't judge people so easily, guys. Don't judge them so easily. Yeah, don't trust everyone so easily, but don't judge people about it, okay? I would say go with people, get to know each other, have fun in the first week. Don't get into any conclusions so fast. Don't make groups so fast, because the groups will be changing like every week, every month, every semester. Whenever the exam will start, you will see people changing. When the exam results will come out, you will see people changing. There would be a lot of things which will be going on, like the drama and everything. Try to stay away from them. I mean, you might want to protect your mental peace. But I would say have fun. Don't jump into conclusion. Don't get too evil. Don't get so evil so easily. And and then I would say, if you are going to people, have a lot of energy, because you might need that energy. And what would you give your introduction in the first class? They would ask you firstly, why SRM? Prepare for these questions. Okay, I am giving you the hint. What is your name? Where are you from? Why are you in SRM? And what is your aim? Make answers for it. Okay, if you want to try it out, you can comment it down the answers for it, and I'll be there to judge you, to help you if there is something needed in changing. But I'm excited, guys. You guys are coming in the college. I am actually very much excited. Many of you were saying that you wanted to meet me, guys. Yeah, about meeting, you might find me walking here and there. Okay, I have classes, I just go here and there in the campus a lot, and you might find me there. If you see me, if you know me, you can come up to me and meet me there. But I don't think I would be able to make a meetup or anything, so just don't ask me again and again if I can have a meetup. It's scary for me. Okay, it is scary for me. I would love to meet you guys, but to arrange a meetup is scary. It is scary. If you see me, you come up to me. I am very happy when you guys come up to me and say that you have seen my videos. It makes me jump. Yeah, I feel very happy and excited that yeah, I did help someone. Yeah, so whatever. Okay, if you have any other doubt or whatever, it was just welcome to SRM video. Have a great year, guys. Have fun, enjoy, study hard, get good CGPA. If you need any help, you know where to come, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. And now I can just see you guys like from there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog, and if you want me to cover something, you can just let me know, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Till then, okay, bye bye, good night. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. And yes, just carry a notebook, a pen, a water bottle. That's it tomorrow. I don't think there is anything else you can. Also, if you need, also carry an umbrella. It's raining outside. It can rain anytime, anywhere. Yeah, so that too. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Okay, bye bye.